The University of Minnesota Extension SNAP-Ed program partners with like-minded agencies and works within the community to make the healthy choice the easy choice. Together with community partners, Andrea Kronbach with the University of Minnesota Extension SNAP-Ed program brainstormed an initiative in which a community would have a chance to connect through cooking and physical activity. Alina Health's goal of working together for healthier communities fit perfectly with the group's vision, and thanks to the Alina Neighborhood Health Connection Grant, a 12-week series of cooking matters and basic yoga classes geared towards the Hispanic and Latina community was formed. Women from the community gathered together to participate in 6 weeks of basic yoga fitness led by a local yoga instructor. Students learn that practicing yoga can help with not only physical health, but also with their mental, emotional, and social well-being. SNAP-Ed's role in this initiative was to lead the 6-week Cooking Matters classes. Andrea coordinated the classes and recruited a Spanish-speaking local chef and a past Cooking Matters student to be the classroom assistant. George Delgado, executive chef from Hy-Vee, demonstrated each week how to cook a healthy meal with the help of Amy, the classroom assistant. Chef George taught this group of women how to prepare nutritious foods in healthful, safe, and tasty ways. Once George was done with his lesson, the group of students was split into teams of 2 to 3. Together, they then prepared the recipe themselves. Students were happy to practice the new skills they'd learned and also to teach their classmates some of their own cooking tips and tricks. Each week, a new recipe was brought to the class. Our hope was that the students would learn about new foods and start building the skills to make healthier food choices at home. Once the group finished their cooking, they gathered back for a basic nutrition lesson led by the SNAP-Ed educator. When the nutrition lesson was over, the newly created meal was shared together. Students were many times surprised with how good this healthy food actually was and were proud that they had made it. Before the students left for the night, they were given a bag of groceries with the recipe and all of the ingredients to cook the meal at home for their families to enjoy. Students shared many positive thoughts and comments throughout our time together. When asked how the class impacted her life, Hilda kept it simple.